Hello adventurer, it's time for a mental assessment now. Aim for an accuracy level of 95% or more. All the best. Hello adventurer, welcome to week 83. This week you are going to take an assessment and the concept being covered is multiplication 2 by 1 mental mode. So you have to solve these questions mentally. Please do not use your Abacus tool. So there are 75 questions in this worksheet, and please don't forget to prefix a 0 wherever required. In your practice sheets, if you forgot to prefix a 0, Microsoft Excel will do it for you, but in this assessment, it is not going to happen. If you forget to prefix a 0, you will get an incorrect answer. So please do not forget to prefix a 0 wherever required.